Lesson 44. Questions and Answers. Can we climb the mountain now? Yes, we can climb the mountain now. Can we climb the mountain now? No, we cannot climb the mountain now. Can we pull the string now? Yes, we can pull the string now. Can we pull the string now? No, we cannot pull the string now. Can we break this rod now? Yes, we can break this rod now. Can we break this rod now? No, we cannot break this rod now. Can we cover our bed now? Yes, we can cover our bed now. Can we cover our bed now? No, we cannot cover our bed now. Can we dive into the river now? Yes, we can dive into the river now. Can we dive into the river now? No, we cannot dive into the river now. Page 303. Can we feed our pet now? Yes, we can feed our pet now. Can we feed our pet now? No, we cannot feed our pet now. Can we print our booklets now? Yes, we can print our booklets now. Can we print our booklets now? No, we cannot print our booklets now. Can we run our business now? Yes, we can run our business now. Can we run our business now? No, we cannot run our business now. Can we salute our general now? Yes, we can salute our general now. Can we salute our general now? No, we cannot salute our general now. Can we stir our coffee now? Yes, we can stir our coffee now. Can we stir our coffee now? No, we cannot stir our coffee now. Can they tie their shoes now? Yes, they can tie their shoes now. Can they tie their shoes now? No, they cannot tie their shoes now. Can they wash their clothes now? Yes, they can wash their clothes now. Can they wash their clothes now? No, they cannot wash their clothes now. Can they wave their hands now? Yes, they can wave their hands now. Can they wave their hands now? No, they cannot wave their hands now. Can they look at the picture now? Yes, they can look at the picture now. Can they look at the picture now? No, they cannot look at the picture now. Can they count their belongings now? Yes, they can count their belongings now. Can they count their belongings now? No, they cannot count their belongings now. Page 304. Can they enter the room now? Yes, they can enter the room now. Can they enter the room now? No, they cannot enter the room now. Can they throw away the rubbish now? Yes, they can throw away the rubbish now. Can they throw away the rubbish now? No, they cannot throw away the rubbish now. Can they grow plants now? Yes, they can grow plants now. Can they grow plants now? No, they cannot grow plants now. Can they order their meal now? Yes, they can order their meal now. Can they order their meal now? No, they cannot order their meal now. Can they ask you the question now? Yes, they can ask me the question now. Can they ask you the question now? No, they cannot ask me the question now. Can this wood float? Yes, this wood can float. Can this wood float? No, this wood cannot float. Can your daughter wind the clock? Yes, my daughter can wind the clock. Can your daughter wind the clock? No, my daughter cannot wind the clock. Can the visitors touch the paintings? Yes, the visitors can touch the paintings. Can the visitors touch the paintings? No, the visitors cannot touch the paintings. Can the tailor tear the cloth? Yes, the tailor can tear the cloth. Can the tailor tear the cloth? No, the tailor cannot tear the cloth. Page 305. Can your servant wash the clothes? Yes, my servant can wash the clothes. Can your servant wash the clothes? No, my servant cannot wash the clothes. Can my father invite you to the party? Yes, your father can invite me to the party. Can my father invite you to the party? No, your father cannot invite me to the party. Can the soldiers greet their friends by shouting? Yes, the soldiers can greet their friends by shouting. Can the soldiers greet their friends by shouting? No, the soldiers cannot greet their friends by shouting. Can a scientist mix oil with water? Yes, a scientist can mix oil with water. Can a scientist mix oil with water? No, a scientist cannot mix oil with water. Can the people practice their religion there? Yes, the people can practice their religion there. Can the people practice their religion there? No, the people cannot practice their religion there. Can your cook roast a chicken? Yes, my cook can roast a chicken. Can your cook roast a chicken? No, my cook cannot roast a chicken. Can her husband leave for the party now? Yes, her husband can leave for the party now. Can her husband leave for the party now? No, her husband cannot leave for the party now. Can your maid rub a window with paper? Yes, my maid can rub a window with paper. Can your maid rub a window with paper? No, my maid cannot rub a window with paper. Can the students believe the stranger? Yes, the students can believe the stranger. Can the students believe the stranger? No, the students cannot believe the stranger. Can your child brush its own teeth? Yes, my child can brush its own teeth. Can your child brush its own teeth? No, my child cannot brush its own teeth. Page 306. Can your child spell well? Yes, my child can spell well. Can your child spell well? No, my child cannot spell well. Can your maid pour the coffee into the cups? Yes, my maid can pour the coffee into the cups. Can your maid pour the coffee into the cups? No, my maid cannot pour the coffee into the cups. Can the teacher repeat his words several times? Yes, the teacher can repeat his words several times. Can the teacher repeat his words several times? No, the teacher cannot repeat his words several times. Can the guests taste the wine now? Yes, the guests can taste the wine now. Can the guests taste the wine now? No, the guests cannot taste the wine now. Can the students understand everything? Yes, the students can understand everything. Can the students understand everything? No, the students cannot understand everything. Can you can this can in that can? Yes, I can this can in that can. Can you can this can in that can? No, I cannot can this can in that can.